G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me. Today's demonstration is piggybacking from live streams where I talk about the pastels I use for skin tones. I have a few videos on my channel and thought to do a refresher. If this has been the first time you've visited and would like to view more of my videos, please consider clicking on the like button and subscribing. I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques and live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any videos as I upload them. Here the art supplies I use are PanPastels, Pastel Pencils. The surface I'm using is Pastelmat, a selection of Sofft Tools by PanPastel, makeup and synthetic brushes, which I use mostly, Glassine Paper, paper towel, a handheld sharpener and kneaded eraser. And this video is a part of a live stream which I have shortened and tried to show how I mix pan pastels to make other colours, which is a unique feature of this medium. This is the second part of the three-part live stream, and here I'm doing a study on dark skin complexion tones. So what you also see here is another piece of paper where I mix my pan pastels to make other colours, which I think is the coolest thing. This is a technique which I have discovered just from practicing and trying new and more efficient ways to paint. So in this study, the only thing I'm concentrating here are the tones and what colours I'm using to paint this dark complexion. My major group here is the raw Umber Group. These are cool colours, but however, this subject here needed warming up, so I use various other colours like red Iron Oxide, some of the burnt Sienna groups, orange extra dark, and a few more of which I'll list in the description box below. So I ended up using more colours than I thought, which is okay. I just had to make sure that my darks and my lights were in the right places. And what I might do here is let you view the rest of the demonstration. So until the next time, bye for now.